Oklahoma. Skies ranged from mostly cloudy to cloudy. It was 69 at Tulsa International Airport, 67 at Bartlesville, 70 at Tulsa Riverside Airport, and 80 at Muskogee. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Osage and northwestern Pawnee counties. At 10:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line. National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, north-central Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Chilocco to 9 miles northeast of Sooner Lake, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fairfax, Shidler, Ralston, Burbank, Granola, 4 Acre, Pearsonia, Southern Call Lake, Webb City, and Apperson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m.